How to use your ChatGPT on iPhone. So let's get straight into the video. It's actually a fairly easy process because all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store application and search for ChatGPT and simply tap on Get. Once you've done that, the application should go ahead and download and install onto your device. Finally, once it is downloaded and installed, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Login or Sign Up and simply create an account. Now, once you're there, you're going to be taken to the home screen where you can simply go ahead and ask anything you want, type your question or request in the inbox, and then you want to tap on the send button and ChatGPT will reply almost instantly. You can also simply go ahead and tap on the microphone tab in order to go ahead and talk to it, or you could also tap on the voice mode in order to start speaking with it as a conversation. You can also simply click on the plus icon and upload photos and files if you want to. And you can also use ChatGPT tools like create image and then browse or something like that. And that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further